I'm gonna go down there. Go ahead. Go ahead. I just saw something right there. Yep, pheasant running down the slope.
Yeah, I see it. Rooster. Running down the road.
Easy. Easy.
It's just not let them go too far. I had to get under the lines. I had to get under the power line.
That was crazy.
Good boy.
Nice double dive.
Good boy.
Take him this way.
Hey, that one's over there in the tree, I think. It looked like he went down that edge into a tree. I'm pretty sure he did, because he looked like he was landing. The other one went far that way. She was only like 10 yards away, but with a modified choke at 10 yards. Got that one. Dead bird. Let's go. Tango, heel. Come on, bring it here. Get it. I'm here. Whoa. Good shot. Made myself known, and I heard all those pellets go boom. Took a couple steps back.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah. Him. That's his bird.
Give it to you.
Okay. Thank you. Good boy. Hey. Hey. Hop. Hop. Good boy.
Firebird.
She was tucked up right here.
Yeah.
As soon as I saw her go up, I was like, I'm here. So that's all I could do. I said, I'm here, and took a couple steps backwards. I could have
Hit him.
I don't know if she was in there. She's hit. Her whole wing folded up. That's why she started running. I could have taken a shot at this one, but I was.
Go back. Go back.
Oh, there's a rooster that got obliterated there. Go back. Get it.
Just get it. Go get it. Here, right here. Go back. Go back. I'm not believing him.
He's playing rabbit.
Come on. Get him. Get him. Come this way.